Forget everything you thought you knew about artificial intelligence. Microsoft's AI CEO just dropped a bombshell that's going to completely redefine how we measure AI's true capabilities. And here's the kicker. It's not about chatbots having friendly conversations or passing some ancient test from the 1950s. It's about cold, hard cash. Can AI take $100,000 and legally turn it into $1 million? That's the question that's sending shockwaves through Silicon Valley right now. And if you're an American who wants to make money in this AI revolution, you need to hear this. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly how this affects your wallet and what you can do about it starting today. All right, let's get straight into what happened. On Monday, January 6th, 2026, Mustafa Suleyman, the CEO of Microsoft AI, made an announcement on social media that has the entire artificial intelligence industry buzzing. This isn't some incremental update about a chatbot getting slightly better at writing emails. This is a fundamental shift in how we're measuring what artificial intelligence can actually do. Suleyman posted on X, formerly Twitter, with a message that cuts through all the hype and gets to the heart of what AI should really be capable of. He wrote, "The next big milestone I'm watching for on our way to AGI, Artificial Capable Intelligence, or ACI. Can an agent take $100,000 and legally turn it into $1 million? To me, that's the modern Turing test." Now, let's break this down because this is absolutely massive. For those who might not know, Mustafa Suleyman isn't just some random tech executive throwing out hot takes on social media. This guy co-founded DeepMind, which Google acquired back in 2014 for $400 million. DeepMind is the company that created the AI system that defeated the world champion at the ancient game of Go, something that experts thought was impossible for machines. After DeepMind, Suleyman co-founded Inflection AI, and now he's running Microsoft's entire consumer AI division, overseeing products like Copilot, Bing, and Edge. When this man speaks about AI, the industry listens. So what exactly is he saying? He's introducing a completely new concept called Artificial Capable Intelligence, or ACI. Instead of measuring whether an AI can fool a human into thinking it's human, which is what the original Turing test from 1950 was all about, Suleyman is saying we need to measure something far more practical and far more powerful. Can AI create real, economic value independently and legally? Think about what that means for a second. We're not talking about an AI that can write a decent poem or chat with you about your day. We're talking about an AI that can analyze markets, identify opportunities, make strategic decisions, execute trades, build businesses, and multiply capital tenfold, all on its own, following all legal and regulatory requirements. That's a completely different ballgame. The original Turing test, proposed by British mathematician Alan Turing way back in 1950, was designed to evaluate whether a machine could mimic human responses well enough to fool a human interrogator. If you couldn't tell you were talking to a machine, the machine passed the test. But here's the thing. We've kind of already achieved that, haven't we? ChatGPT and other large language models can have conversations that feel remarkably human. The Turing test, in many ways, has become outdated. Suleyman's version shifts the focus from imitation to capability. It's not about sounding human anymore. It's about real-world problem-solving, planning, execution, and most importantly, delivering tangible results. If an AI can take $100,000 and turn it into $1 million legally, that proves it can navigate complex financial systems, understand regulations, assess risk, identify opportunities, and execute strategies that generate actual wealth. That's intelligence that matters in the real world. Now, why is this happening right now? The timing is absolutely critical. We're entering 2026 after what many are calling a reality check year for artificial intelligence. Throughout 2025, we saw massive investments pouring into AI companies. OpenAI raised $40 billion at a $300 billion valuation. Meta spent nearly $15 billion to lock up AI talent. Companies promised close to $1.3 trillion in future infrastructure spending. The hype was absolutely through the roof. But then something interesting happened. Investors started asking tough questions. Where's the return on investment? When do we start making money from all these AI systems? The market started sorting winners from losers more aggressively. The era of unlimited enthusiasm and blank checks started showing some cracks. This is exactly why Suleyman's announcement matters so much right now. The industry is moving from "look how cool this technology is" to "prove that this technology can make money." And that's exactly what the ACI test is all about. It's putting a concrete, measurable, financially driven goal in front of AI developers. No more vague promises about transforming the world. Show us the money. Literally. Microsoft isn't just throwing out this challenge as some theoretical exercise. They're deadly serious about it. In recent interviews, Suleyman has indicated that it will cost hundreds of billions of dollars to keep up with frontier AI development over the next 5 to 10 years. This is industrial-scale investment in making AI that can actually deliver economic results. And here's the kicker. Microsoft just renegotiated their deal with OpenAI, giving themselves more freedom to develop their own frontier AI models. They've even formed a new MAI superintelligence team specifically focused on building the best and safest superintelligence models in the world. So this isn't just talk. Microsoft is putting their money where their mouth is, investing hundreds of billions to create AI systems that can pass this new ACI test. Now, let's talk about what makes this test so difficult and so meaningful. Turning $100,000 into $1 million legally requires an incredible range of capabilities. The AI would need to understand financial markets, which are influenced by countless variables including economic indicators, company performance, geopolitical events, market sentiment, and regulatory changes. It would need to assess risk accurately, knowing when to be aggressive and when to be conservative. But it's not just about making smart bets. The AI would need to understand and comply with all relevant laws and regulations. Financial markets are heavily regulated in the United States. There's the Securities and Exchange Commission, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, state securities regulators, and countless rules about insider trading, market manipulation, and disclosure requirements. An AI that can navigate all of this successfully demonstrates a level of real-world competence that goes far beyond anything we've seen before. And here's another crucial point. The test specifically says legally. That's not an accident. Suleyman is making it clear that we're not interested in AI that can game the system or break rules to make money. We want AI that can succeed within the constraints of society's rules and regulations. That's a much harder challenge, and it's a much more valuable capability. This is the biggest AI news of the day, and possibly one of the biggest AI announcements of the year so far. Microsoft's AI CEO has thrown down a gauntlet. He's saying, we need to stop measuring AI by how human-like it sounds and start measuring it by what it can actually accomplish in the real world. And the first major test is financial. Can AI make money? The race is on, and the implications for Americans are absolutely massive. So we've talked about what Microsoft's AI CEO announced. Now let's get into what this actually means for you, me, and every other American. Because this isn't just some abstract technology development happening in Silicon Valley boardrooms. This is going to reshape the American economy, American jobs, and American opportunities in profound ways. First, the positive impacts. If Microsoft or any other company successfully creates an AI system that can turn $100,000 into $1 million, that technology won't just sit in some corporate vault. History shows us that powerful technologies eventually become accessible to regular people, even if they start out as exclusive tools for the wealthy or well-connected. Think about it. Just 15 years ago, sophisticated algorithmic trading was only available to major financial institutions. Now, apps like Robinhood and Webull have democratized access to the stock market for millions of Americans. If AI systems can genuinely multiply money through intelligent investing, we'll see that capability packaged into consumer-facing products relatively quickly. For American investors, this could be transformative. The average American doesn't have the time, expertise, or resources to actively manage complex investment portfolios. Most of us are putting money into index funds and hoping for the best. But if AI can handle the complexity, identify opportunities, manage risk, and navigate regulations automatically, it could dramatically level the playing field. Your AI financial advisor could monitor thousands of stocks, analyze market trends in real time, identify emerging opportunities, and execute trades with precision that no human trader could match. This doesn't just benefit wealthy people with large portfolios. It particularly benefits middle-class Americans who have some savings, but haven't been able to access sophisticated wealth management. If you've got $20,000 in savings and want to invest it wisely, you currently have limited options. Financial advisors who provide personalized service typically require much larger minimums. But an AI advisor? It can provide the same sophisticated analysis and strategy for a fraction of the cost. For American entrepreneurs, the implications are even more exciting. The ACI test isn't just about stock market investing. It's about creating economic value through planning and execution. That could mean AI systems that help entrepreneurs identify business opportunities, develop business plans, analyze markets, optimize operations, and grow their companies more effectively. Small business owners in America could particularly benefit. Right now, if you're running a small retail store, restaurant, or service business, you're probably making decisions based on intuition and limited data. You might not have the resources to hire expensive consultants or analysts. But what if an AI system could analyze your business data, identify optimization opportunities, suggest pricing strategies, predict inventory needs, and help you compete more effectively against larger competitors? That levels the playing field significantly. For American workers, the picture is more complex. Let's be honest about this. If AI systems become genuinely capable of creating economic value independently, that's going to disrupt a lot of jobs. Financial analysts, investment advisors, business consultants, strategic planners. These are all professions that could face significant disruption if AI can match or exceed their capabilities. However, it's not all doom and gloom. History shows us that technological revolutions don't just destroy jobs, they create new ones. When ATMs were introduced, people predicted the end of bank teller jobs. Instead, banks opened more branches because ATMs made banking cheaper, and bank teller employment actually increased in the following decades, though the nature of the job changed. The Americans who will thrive in this new environment are those who learn to leverage AI rather than compete against it. If an AI can analyze financial markets better than any human, don't try to beat it at financial analysis. Instead, become the person who knows how to direct that AI toward opportunities it might overlook, or who understands the human and ethical dimensions that pure algorithmic thinking might miss. For the American education system, this represents a massive challenge and opportunity. We need to be training students not just in traditional subjects, but in AI literacy and the skills needed to work effectively with AI systems. The students who graduate knowing how to direct and leverage AI will have enormous advantages over those who don't. There are also significant implications for wealth inequality in America. Right now, we're already seeing concerning trends with wealth concentration. AI systems that can multiply money could accelerate this trend. If you've already got capital to invest, AI can help you multiply it faster. If you're living paycheck to paycheck with no savings to invest, these technologies don't help you nearly as much. This is where policy becomes crucial. If AI-powered wealth creation tools only remain accessible to the already wealthy, we could see wealth inequality reach levels that undermine social cohesion. But if these tools are widely democratized, they could actually help more Americans build wealth and achieve financial security. For American retirees and people planning for retirement, this development could be incredibly significant. One of the biggest challenges facing Americans is retirement security. Social security provides a foundation, but it's often not enough to maintain a comfortable lifestyle. If AI systems can genuinely achieve higher investment returns while managing risk appropriately, that could help retirees make their nest eggs last longer and provide better financial security in their golden years. There's also a major impact on American competitiveness globally. If the United States leads in developing AI systems that can create economic value, that provides an enormous competitive advantage. American companies could operate more efficiently, identify opportunities faster, and execute strategies more effectively than competitors in other countries. For American regulators and policymakers, this creates urgent challenges. How do you regulate AI systems that can autonomously create wealth? Current financial regulations were written for human traders and human-run institutions. The Securities and Exchange Commission, the Federal Reserve, and other regulatory bodies are going to need to develop entirely new frameworks for overseeing AI-powered financial systems. For American consumers, the impacts extend beyond finance. If AI can create economic value through strategic planning and execution, that capability applies to many domains. We could see AI systems that help you plan your career, optimize your home budget, negotiate better deals on major purchases, and make countless other decisions that affect your economic well-being. Bottom line, the impact of AI systems that can create economic value will touch virtually every aspect of American life. For some Americans, this will open up incredible opportunities for wealth creation and achievement of financial goals. For others, it will create anxiety and the need to adapt to rapidly changing circumstances. The Americans who will thrive are those who start preparing now, learning about these technologies, and positioning themselves to benefit rather than be displaced. All right, this is the section you've been waiting for. How can you, as an American, actually leverage AI to make money starting today? Not in some hypothetical future when Microsoft releases their perfect ACI system, but right now with tools and strategies that are available to you immediately. Strategy number 1. Use AI for freelancing and service businesses. This is hands down the most accessible way for most Americans to start making money with AI immediately. You don't need any capital except maybe $50 to $100 for subscriptions. AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and others can dramatically accelerate your ability to deliver services that businesses need. Content writing, copywriting, social media management, basic graphic design, data analysis, research. These are all services that businesses will pay for, and AI can help you deliver them faster and at higher quality than you could alone. Here's a specific playbook. Sign up for ChatGPT Plus or Claude Pro for $20 per month. Then, go to Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com and set up profiles offering services like blog writing, product descriptions, social media content creation, or market research. When you get clients, use AI to help you research, outline, draft, and polish the work. You can easily handle 5 to 10 times more clients than you could without AI assistance. The math here is compelling. Let's say you charge businesses $50 for a well-researched blog post. Without AI, you might be able to write 2 per day, giving you $100 per day or about $2,000 per month. With AI helping you research and create first drafts, you could potentially handle 6 to 8 posts per day, tripling your income to $6,000 per month or more. Some specific services that are working really well right now: email marketing campaigns for e-commerce businesses, LinkedIn content creation for executives and professionals, product description writing for e-commerce companies. With AI, you can write dozens of these per day. Some freelancers are earning $5,000 to $10,000 per month just doing product descriptions with AI assistance. Strategy number 2. Create and sell AI-powered digital products. This is where you move from trading time for money to creating products that can generate passive income. Americans are making serious money creating digital products with AI assistance. Create online courses using AI to help with research, content outlining, script writing, and even generating practice exercises. You can sell these on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or your own website. Use AI to help write ebooks on topics you have expertise in. Self-publishing on Amazon Kindle has never been easier with AI helping you with research, outlining, drafting, and editing. Create templates and resources for businesses. For example, you could create a comprehensive collection of email templates for small businesses using AI to help generate variations and polish the copy. These kinds of resources sell really well on marketplaces like Gumroad or Etsy. The beautiful thing about digital products is you create them once and sell them repeatedly. If you spend 2 weeks creating a comprehensive course using AI to accelerate the process, and then sell it for $97 to 100 people over the next year, that's nearly $10,000 for 2 weeks of initial work. Strategy number 3. Build AI-enhanced local service businesses. This strategy is perfect for Americans who want to build a traditional service business, but with an AI advantage. Let's say you start a social media management agency for local businesses in your area. This is a service that restaurants, retail stores, law firms, and other local businesses desperately need. Here's where AI gives you an edge. You can use AI tools to generate content ideas, create draft posts, analyze engagement data, and even create basic graphics. This means you can manage social media for 10 to 15 local clients instead of the 2 or 3 you could handle manually. Charge each client between $500 and $1,000 per month. That's $5,000 to $15,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Your costs? Maybe $100 in AI tool subscriptions and some time. The profit margins are incredible. Other local service business ideas that benefit from AI. Marketing consulting, where you use AI to analyze client data and generate insights. Business planning services, where AI helps create comprehensive business plans. Customer service solutions, where you set up AI chatbots for local businesses. Local SEO services, where AI helps create optimized content. Strategy number 4. Invest smarter using AI tools. While we don't yet have AI systems that can independently turn $100,000 into $1 million, we do have AI tools that can make you a significantly better investor right now. Tools like ChatGPT can help you analyze annual reports, understand financial statements, research industries, and identify trends. Use AI to screen for investment opportunities based on specific criteria. Use AI to help you deeply research the most promising candidates by analyzing their financial statements, competitive position, and industry trends. You can also use AI to help monitor your existing investments. Set up a routine where you regularly ask AI to summarize recent news about companies you own and flag any concerning developments. This gives you institutional investor-level research capabilities for free. One specific strategy that's working: use AI to identify companies that are successfully implementing AI in their own businesses. These are likely to be winners in the AI economy. Ask AI to help you research which companies in various sectors are leading in AI adoption and generating actual business results from it. Strategy number 5. Create AI-powered content businesses. YouTube channels, podcasts, newsletters, and blogs can all be dramatically accelerated with AI assistance. This is literally how I'm leveraging AI right now for this very channel, AI Insider Feed. Use AI to help with research and finding the most important stories. Use AI to help outline scripts or articles. Use AI to generate first drafts that you then edit and personalize. Use AI to create titles, descriptions, and thumbnail concepts. Use AI to analyze what content performs best and suggest future topics. The time savings are enormous. What might have taken 10 hours to research, write, and polish a video script now takes 2 to 3 hours with AI assistance. That means you can produce content much more frequently, grow your audience faster, and reach monetization thresholds quicker. Specific monetization paths. YouTube ad revenue once you hit the monetization thresholds. Sponsorships from relevant companies are where the real money is. Affiliate marketing by recommending products and earning commissions. Digital product sales to your audience. Consulting or service sales leveraging your expertise. Membership or subscription models for premium content. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to hit that like button and subscribe to AI Insider Feed if you're finding this information valuable. We're bringing you the biggest AI news every couple of days, explaining how it impacts your life and showing you exactly how to make money with these developments. Click that subscribe button right now so you don't miss our next video. So there you have it. Microsoft's AI CEO just fundamentally redefined what artificial intelligence needs to prove, and the implications for Americans are absolutely massive. We're moving from an era of AI that impresses us with conversations to AI that generates real economic value. The race to build AI systems that can turn $100,000 into $1 million is on, and it's going to reshape the American economy. For you personally, this isn't just interesting news to think about. This is a call to action. The Americans who will thrive in this new AI-powered economy are those who start positioning themselves right now. Not next year. Not when everything is perfectly clear. Right now, while we're still in the early stages and opportunities are abundant. Whether you're using AI to start a freelancing business, create digital products, build a local service company, invest smarter, or create content, the key is to start. Pick one strategy that resonates with you and take action this week. Not someday. This week. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's here. The question is whether you're going to be a passive observer or an active participant who profits from it. The choice is yours, and the time is now. If you found this video valuable, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to AI Insider Feed. We're bringing you the biggest AI news every 2 days, breaking down exactly how it affects your life and your wallet, and giving you actionable strategies to profit from these developments. Join our community of Americans who are staying ahead of the curve and positioning themselves to win in the AI economy. Drop a comment below and let me know which money-making strategy you're most excited about. Are you going to start freelancing with AI? Create digital products? Build a content business? I read every comment and I want to hear what you're planning to do with this information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll cover the next major AI development and show you exactly how to make money from it. This is AI Insider Feed, keeping you ahead of the AI revolution.